BMW, an exciting time. 2020 for you, Alex. What's going on with you guys?
No, 2020 is definitely going to be a good year for us. Probably the biggest news and the most generating, excitement around us right now is obviously the launch of our new R18, or the concept R18, which is out in the public a lot. We're excited to announce that it is going into production.
But when I come to the show and I see BMW, what will I see?
So the biggest news that we have is obviously our new 900 lineup. Okay, so we've got a new XR, which is kind of that sport touring, mid-level sport touring model, and we've got the same version in a roadster, so F900R. Okay,
nice.
So good price points, excellent kind of, you got all the kind of the technology, everything that BMW is known for, right? But you get it in that, good 900cc parallel twin engine. Okay, we're super excited for it because I think customers are really going to take to it. It's something that's kind of been missing in our lineup. We've kind of fallen behind in the past, but now we feel like we caught up and we got the bench.
And like Alex says, BMW is back, baby, in big time.
Yeah, for sure.
Thanks, bro.